Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I think Eliza's going to help us too. Honey, give me the bag. She wants the bag. She doesn't even care about the stuff. Today was something like the Great Oregon Coast Garage Sale, and it was the central part of the Oregon coast, and there were community center things and neighborhood sales and more garage sales than I could go to in a day. I mean, literally, you just ran out of time. Let me show you what I picked up. I went with my mom, and my mom had a list of, like, she wanted a basket to put stuff in the garden, you know, with a handle and strong enough to hold vegetables. I don't know what's wrong with Zelda. I'm sure she's fine. Zelda, what are you doing? She wanted a basket. I was looking for paper crafting stuff, you know, junk journaling, really inexpensive. And I was also looking for like a small bookcase type thing. I didn't find the bookcase type thing. Oh, and Mr. Crafting and Relaxing heard that she picked herself up some hangers, so he got hangers too. So let me show you what I picked up. A lot of what I got was in the free boxes. Pocket Road Atlas. Look, little tiny cute maps. Tiny scale so you could make ephemera with them. That's kind of what I was thinking. And did I need it? No, but it was free. Okay, then one of the last ones we went to, this lady, I haven't even looked at this one. Oh, it is cute. This lady had two, I feel like somebody didn't finish their project, two cross-stitch things. She wasn't even sure where they came from. Like, I don't think she made it or anything. I think she would have remembered. This one, I was thinking journal cover. And maybe even like a hardcover, so on the spine you would have like lots of cool color. I don't know, but I just saw it and I was like, hey, what do you think? And she was like, what about $1? And I was like, what about $0.25? And then she was like, okay, and take the other one. She actually didn't even want the quarter, but we gave it to her. So I don't know if this one is a journal cover to me because it's not, there's not enough going on. Maybe this part is a journal cover. And then maybe he does something else. That's going to be a thin line though. Ideas. Maybe something in the journal. I'm not sure. So we'll have to think about that one. So journal cover I was thinking. Then a lot of maps because a couple of places I picked them up with stuff. You know, how much and paid $1 in total. And other places they were in the free bin. So I got some bike maps here. I think these might be shiny, but the guy was really excited for me to take them, and so I did because I didn't want to hurt his feelings, and they were in this free box. But I think there's potential, and even if they're shiny, I do like them on the inside cover. Like, it's just fun, I think. Deschutes National Forest. So this is a U.S. Forest Service map. Oh, this one's cool. A little bit older. I wonder if it has a year or anything on it. Oh, look at all that green for Andrea and Maria. Okay, that one's fun. And it has little tiny font and marks all over it. That's a lot of journals too, because that sucker's a big one. Oregon State Road Map. Official Oregon map from 2017. Some of them even had like highlighted routes, remember? Okay, maybe some of you watching this video don't remember, but you used to plan your route on the map before you went. Yosemite National Park guide map. Play for Life, your adventure planner for Bend. Oh, that's kind of cool. A lot of neat little stuff. These were at one of those pick up a bunch of stuff and it was $1. So I thought I could dye them. There's 20 of them in here. Ink on them. Use them as a stencil, dye, tea dye, whatever. Free bin along the way. It was just, I thought it would be cute. And it's pretty long and it's a weird size. I think some of it's written on, which makes it even more fun. I don't know where, but I think I saw some that had writing on them. Okay, there was a box. I mean, we're talking a case up on end and a whole bunch of different patterns. I asked the man what these were. It was at an estate sale. He was selling items of a female in his life. Okay, or maybe he buys stuff and sells it. I don't know. But he had a whole case of these. He thought they were like the kind of thing you put the beans in and then microwave and heat them up. I could see, oh, there's an open edge right there. So maybe that's what they are. I was imagining them as like a journal cover. Something like this. I don't know. Just, I thought they would be fun wrapped around it or as fabric. It would have to be a little bigger than this one. And I think this is a pretty standard size for scrapbook paper. Or I could just use the fabric. Or I could sew it in. That might be fun. As a page in the journal. Just sew it in there. And if I can open up that edge, maybe it's like a secret pocket or something. I don't know. I just thought, well, I'm going to get a couple of them because they're fun. And the guy was super fun, and it was the craziest sale. My mom and I were there for, I don't even know how long. And those of you who know, I'm not a good shopper. It was a long time. I got this pattern there. There was a box of pictures, and I dug through it and found her. The rest of the pictures were like 70s. And colored and mostly men, definitely a military family. So I liked her. I thought she'd be cute in a journal, feminine and flowers and smiling. And then these, I don't know what else I got there. That's where my mom got her basket. America the Beautiful. Look at this calendar. It is beautiful. I didn't even realize it was a 2026 calendar. I just liked the pictures. But the lady was like, it was too cute to waste it. I wanted someone to have it. Look at these. Mount Rainier National Park, St. Mary Lake in Glacier National Park, Arcadia National, maybe it's all national parks, Grand Teton. I mean, they're amazing. I was trying to figure out, are they going to be the cover in some instances? Are they going to be a page in a journal? They're big enough that you can cut them down. I mean, this would be a stunning cover. Look at that. So I got that. Okay, this was at a really sketchy place. I'll show you the other stuff I got with this, though. I think it's a roll of wallpaper. Now, it's not as cute as a roll of wallpaper that Twyla is going to send me a piece of, but it was blue floral. I couldn't pass it up. Now, it's so gross. I couldn't figure out for sure what. Okay, maybe not. I figured I'd have to throw away the outside layer. Now, mind you, I didn't pay anything for this, so don't worry. Okay, this might not work. It's just too gross, maybe. Maybe at some point there's a clean part. Okay, good thing I didn't pay anything for this, huh? Okay, if I can't find a clean part, I'm not keeping it. But I think it's wallpaper. I didn't realize that the back was like a pinkish color, which I don't know if you can tell, but it is. Maybe I'll fussy cut some flowers out of it. But what I think is, I think it got wet down in the roll. So I think maybe the whole thing's going to be gross. I'll check it later. We'll see. If it is, I'll get rid of it today so it doesn't get mixed in. Okay, look at this bad boy. I don't know. My mom got something here and I was like, hey, how much for this? And they said, how about $1? And I was like, oh, okay, I have to. Big maps, some black, some colored. I mean, look at this. This is just cool. And it's the state of Washington. So, I mean, for me, it's relevant. Not that it matters. You know, sometimes it's cool to have other places. So I like that some are black and white. And then look at all these vintage photos. Buildings, and I love architecture. Like, I get really excited about that. So I think there's some more photos in the back too. Early Port Townsend. I think that might be where my grandma grew up. I've been there. Puyallup. I don't really know Puyallup. Castle Rock does not look like that now. Aberdeen, Yakima. Yep, these are like places around here. Look, Saloon in Davenport in 1906. It's just, I thought, good heavens, Tacoma waterfront in 1885. Oh, early log truck. I just thought they would be fun. They're a little bit satin, not shiny. So anyway, $1. I probably would have bought it even if it just had the pictures. I do not need more atlases and maps, but look at these pictures. Spokane's first grade school built in 1883 on present site of Lewis and Clark High School. There were a lot of kids at that school. That's my big book. I could spend probably half hour looking at that. Then I asked a lady, hey, how much for these, I don't know what they are, plans? house plans, something. I don't know. I like that they're discolored, like yellowish, bluish, different colors. The inside is not white. I have like a house plan thing that's pretty big, but it's white. Like this one seems old, 86. And again, inside journal covers, outside. Usually the big things I don't tear up for ephemera, but if I made something with it and had scraps, I'd use it for that. Okay, another official map just from a different year. And I don't know if this was the one where it had highlights of where the person was going or not, but... And the different maps, very often, different color palettes. So if you're trying to do something more green or something black and white or something like yellows and browns like fallish, you can find it. Montana. I did a Montana map on the inside. Oh, look at that. How often do you find like a blurple map? It's got some green and some purple. That's cool. Love it. So, I mean, I don't open them up as I'm shopping. I just go, okay, map, I'll take it. All right, these came from the Scary Wallpaper garage sale, so clearly they need to be washed before they touch anything else. But look, and Nancy should be proud of me because I took the time and looked at textiles. There's a lot of pink, which wouldn't have been my first choice, There's a purple one, a green one, a pink one. They need to soak in whatever that stuff is called overnight. This one, I thought these would be pretty cool, either sewn on journals, or this one could be like over a journal page. It could be part of a tip up, like if it goes this way, a lot of options. This one has a bunch of holes in it, so it may be like a scrappy thing, but it's really big. I think my mom paid $1 for all of these. Like, I was like, Mom, I will like these. And Leona wasn't with me, so my mom took care of it. Pretty cool, huh? I forgive the pink just because they're just cool. I did see some other ones during the day. Like I saw one green one and it was $5. No, not for what I'm going to do with it, right? Okay, I think that's it. Oh, I got some like well drink glasses. 6 of them for $3. I saw them and I was like, yeah, I kind of need those actually. We need some new glasses. When you've been married a certain amount of time, don't be afraid to get new glasses or towels or something. So I got some glasses. I got, those suction cup cat beds that go on the window? I got one of those for $5. And the lady said it does have some Persian cat hair on it, but she had just moved and she didn't have a good spot for it anymore. So I figure I'll let it sit for a long time in case, it has anything on it. And then I'll vacuum it up real good and give it to the girls. And then, I got a really cool, I'll go get it. I'll show you. I don't know what you call it. Display case. Can you see? I thought it would be good for my counter. It's a little big. It is probably 2/3 of the depth of the counter. Maybe it only need to be 3 shelves. There was a smaller one, but it had like gold metal accents and I didn't like it. And I thought this would be good for if I do a craft fair. And I think Noni's going to do something. She might want to use it too. So it's just, I don't know. It was marked $15. I tried 10. I think I got it for 12. And I still was like, I want that. My mom thought that was a lot, but I thought it was pretty cool. Some days you're just like, I'm going to have that. And let's see. I got this memory game. Remember Current? Like cards and they had stores and everything. Turns out they're pretty ugly on the back. But they were in a free bin. And there are dogs and there's honey and cats and flowers. They're actually a little thicker than I'd like them to be. But I just thought, well, I'm not going to leave them in the free bin because I can't imagine too many kids these days are excited about this kind of card game. And it was Saturday afternoon by the time we got to a lot of these places. So they had done Friday and Saturday. We didn't get like first pick. There was one place that had quite a bit of fabric, and I was going to buy some, and it was chaos. It was sheer chaos. And then some of the places we went, we were just excited to see the building because one was in an old store. Actually, I think 2 of them were in old stores that we hadn't been in, and because they're not open now. And then neighborhoods. We checked out neighborhoods and stuff. It was fun. We were tired. I bet we went to like 20 garage sales at least, and the community center sale. I don't think I spent very much. This was, $12 was definitely my big ticket item for the day. I went a little wild on this. Happy crafting. One thing I do want to say is I didn't buy a lot. Do you know what I mean? Like the place where I got the one photo of the lady, that guy probably would have given me that whole box of pictures for like $2. And I resisted the urge because I didn't need to do it. And he also had a big lacy tablecloth that had a damaged section, and I could have soaked it, and then I could have done crafts with it for like years and years to come. And I resisted the urge on anything that was just too big to manage or that would have taken me hours to deal with this weekend. So I feel like I should get points for that, you guys. All right. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and taking great care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.